Hello, welcome to an overview of how the D&B Hoovers connector from Microsoft Dynamics can help you increase the value of your CRM data and empower sales teams with actionable business information and access to the full D&B Hoovers application within Microsoft Dynamics. Today, we will show you how easy it is to populate, update, and enrich records in your CRM with current and accurate Dun & Bradstreet data. We will look at how users can easily access deep account insights from within their CRM records. We will also show you how easy it is to send company and contact records to your CRM from D&B Hoovers. And finally, we will conclude this video with a look at some of the tools administrators can use to manage D&B Hoovers within your CRM. To understand the full value of how D&B Hoovers can integrate with Microsoft Dynamics, the first thing we want to show you is how easy it is to populate a new record with complete and accurate Dun & Bradstreet data, saving you the hassle of data entry. Here, we are creating a new record by entering a company name. As you can see, the rest of the record is blank. If we had to manually enter this information, it would take some time. First, we would need to find all the information, and then we would have to key it in. D&B Hoovers eliminates this step. Let's show you how. Here you can see a list of all the companies in our dataset that match this company name. We'll choose the company that we want and click Submit. As the page reloads, you can see that the record has been populated with data from the Dun & Bradstreet database. And we can update this information at any time by clicking the Update button. Since we just matched and enriched this record, it already has the most updated Dun & Bradstreet data. So let's go to a record already in the CRM to see this functionality. We call this the Stare and Compare. On the left is the data that is currently on the record. On the right, you can see all the fields that Dun & Bradstreet has for this company. Items highlighted in yellow indicate that the information on the record is different than the most current information available from the Dun & Bradstreet database. You can individually check the fields you want to update or select all, and in one easy click, the record is enriched with Dun & Bradstreet data. The next thing we want to show you is the Quick View Mashup. Our widget provides quick access to several key D&B Hoovers features, such as company details and contacts for the company within your CRM record. Here you can see company information, such as the number of employees, number of entities in the corporate family, the DUNS number, as well as industry and financial information. You can also see the ideal profile score for this company based on the ideal profile you can create within D&B Hoovers. If a crush report is available for this company, and you subscribe to a package that includes the tech-focused reports, you can access it here. And the final item displayed on this ribbon is a count of triggers. You can click any of the items on this ribbon to open them within the D&B Hoovers application within your CRM. And speaking of triggers, our journal provides a timeline view of both triggers and the user's own CRM activities at this account. You can filter to only view triggers or CRM activities, and choose the length of time you want to review. Tasks such as sending emails and making phone calls will appear on the timeline as those activities are completed. And you can also view this information in a list view. As a salesperson works with an account in Microsoft Dynamics, they will need contacts at that account. You can easily view the contacts available in D&B Hoovers for this account right here on the Quick View Mashup. And you can filter the contacts to easily identify the most relevant roles and departments. From here, you can select contacts to add to an existing list, or save a new list or dynamic smart list. You can also download the contacts or send them to the CRM to create new records. We will go into more detail on the Send to CRM functionality later in this video. The next item we will look at is news. We can quickly view news articles for this account right here in the record. We can also filter the results if there is specific content, keywords, or a date range that we want to focus on. And again, we can add this content to a list, create a new list, or a smart list. The last item on the Quick View mashup is the one-stop report. Just like on a company record in D&B Hoovers, we can leverage the one-stop report to build a portable PDF document with the key reports that we want to review. And at any time, we can open the complete company record for this company in D&B Hoovers by clicking the company name in the left corner of the mashup. Now that we've looked at how we can help sales teams be more informed and productive, let's look at how we can access the full D&B Hoovers application within Microsoft Dynamics. Select D&B Hoovers from the ellipses symbol or the Sales drop-down. Now we are looking at the desktop, which is our home base in the application. This is where you can pin content that is important to your needs. We won't cover the functionality of the full application here. We have other resources to help you learn more about our prospecting tools and deep company content. But we do want to show how you can send companies and contacts to your CRM from D&B Hoovers. For this example, let's look at a list that we have saved to D&B Hoovers. We could send this entire list to our CRM or select individual companies that we are interested in. We will select a few companies and then click the Send to CRM button to begin the send. The application will ask whether we want to send this record to accounts or leads. If we choose leads here, we also have the ability to associate a contact with the record at this time. When we select Continue, D&B Hoovers checks for duplicates. If none are found, it completes the send. If duplicates are found, it will ask us how we want to action each individual record or the bulk set of records. And you can repeat this same process with contact records. For the final section of this video, we will take a few minutes to look at the CRM administrative capabilities that are available for D&B Hoovers account administrators. From any page within D&B Hoovers, select Administration from the user menu and then click on CRM Admin. This area provides a variety of options, including user access, where we can enable CRM users with access to D&B Hoovers. We can also set user rights by profile to enable the Send to CRM functionality from the full product and the Quick Profile mashup. This step also includes setting send limits and enabling automatic updates when a company is initially matched. Under the Company Information link, we can determine if we want users to be able to see if a company or contact is already in the CRM when they are using the D&B Hoovers application. The next thing we want to look at is field mapping. The field mapping options for accounts, contacts, and leads allow administrators to determine which of the more than 160 available Dun & Bradstreet fields to map to standard and custom Microsoft Dynamics fields. Each of these can be set up separately and distinctly. Within Accounts Field Mapping, administrators can also override the default fields used in company matching. Pick List Mapping enables mapping of normalized fields to a set list of options, so data like the D&B Hoovers Industries could be mapped to a site's unique industry classification system. Thank you for viewing this video. We hope this overview of D&B Hoovers Microsoft Dynamics Connector helps you understand the power of this integration and how we can help you leverage actionable B2B data to increase productivity and accelerate sales.